This is a very exciting moment for us as we celebrate the opening of the Barrett CTI. This amazing, innovative facility really showcases what our polytechnic model of education is all about.
The Barrett Center for Technology Innovation is a 93,000 square foot facility with specialized spaces and advanced technology to bring together students, faculty, and industry to work in a collaborative environment to solve real industry problems. Bob Barrett and the Barrett Family Foundation always had an interest in giving back to the community, and their support was the catalyst for the Barrett CTI at Humber.
Hi, I'm Bob Barrett. I'm the Barrett of the Barrett Center for Technology Innovation. What we were hoping to do is to help young people get meaningful jobs, careers related to STEM, and Humber came up with a strategy of building a building that far exceeds anything we could ever imagine. We started kind of as a catalyst. It's the Humber team that brought our dreams to reality.
The Barrett Family Foundation and Bob and Francine in particular, they've had a relationship with Humber for the past number of years, but they've really stepped up this time in terms of the leadership gifts that they've provided. And through their leadership, they've set the tone for others to follow and seeing the real benefits of what we're doing here at Humber, this amazing building that we have and we can all be proud of.
We are working together with Humber for quite a few years, and we are proud of this partnership. The most exciting thing working with Humber, I could actually summarize this in one word. This is action. I appreciate a lot the vision, the innovative power, the leadership of Humber, and Humber is able to put words into action and to really make a difference.
I think Humber is renowned for having some of the best programs in the world, having the best students around, and we are very interested in working with those students to help us develop certain tools and products that complement our existing lines.
The CTI is a place where students, industry, and even high school and middle school can come and exchange knowledge. A lot of top automation industries will be there working with students, and I believe that's a huge opportunity for us.
Sustainability is one of the 5 values at Humber, and that means that we have to live and breathe that value. And what does that mean? It means doing it in everything we do. And so we have to approach things like building new buildings in a way that's sustainable. The Barrett CTI is a perfect example of leading the way in that, where it's a net zero energy building, and it's targeting LEED Platinum certification.
What we're doing is we're working on innovation, we're fostering creativity, and we're really helping define what those jobs of the future will look like. This is an incredibly exciting moment. This is what polytechnic education is all about, and we're just absolutely delighted and thrilled that we have the Barrett CTI to really showcase our model of education. It really is about all the partners and stakeholders coming together to figure out how we can solve the problems of the future.